if you just look inside, it's just there, but not moving.
Oh, the falls are down here. Where we are, up Tambourine Mountain now, you won't believe it, but my ears popped. Oh, it's not Tambourine Mountain, it's another mountain, but it's massive, massively high. And the falls are down there, what you can see through the bush. But look at the size of some of these trees. They're huge. Look at the roots on that. Absolutely. Oh, it's around this side. Oh! Ah, you see. I'm not going in there because I don't like big spiders, and there's probably a massive spider in there waiting for me.
And there might be a snake.
And a snake. The snakes like it where it's a bit cooler.
Or there might be a red belly snake. They're really, really, really terrifying. And a fact, they're poisonous. You just read the sign.
Oh, hang on. Have I just read the sign? Enter the top of curling, but falls from put horse in the road, blah 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 blah, prohibited. Steeply slippery, stone fallen tracks. Oh, hang on, I've missed the sign before me. Taking a selfie.
No phone.
Get likes, not fines. Ah, right. No selfies. So I'm not doing a selfie. No selfies. As you can see, I'm not doing selfies, I'm doing everybody else's.
No,
So,
it's prohibited.
Alright. But I'm not doing selfies. I'm doing everybody else's. Beautiful.